Jojo fans. Today we're gonna read Peter the Cat and the New Guy book, and you're gonna tell me the beginning, middle, and end. But if you don't know it, I would have to read it again. And we have a special treat for you, so you can eat. That's the stuff that we made in our house for the experiments. But now we're gonna start reading this book. It's a Peter the Cat book, and you guys see, that's gonna be the new person, and I hope you enjoy this book. Peter the Cat and the New Guy. This is the front cover, this is the spine, this is the back cover, okay? It was Sunday and Pete's friends had come to play. They were rocking it today to a new song when beep beep, there was a noise coming from across the street. Was it? Old Owl had a view from his tree. Pete said, "Hey Owl, what do you see?" Owl said, "All I see are green shoes and a red hat." Pete answered, "Sounds like my kind of cat." Well, that looks like the new guy. Could not imagine who this new guy could be. I really hope it's a new friend for me. Oh, it looks like he's sad. See this. On Monday, Pete wanted to say hi, but he was feeling kind of shy. So he just rode back and by until finally Pete got to meet the new guy. Pete said, "I never meet anyone like you. You singing like a duck and like a beaver too." The new guy said to Pete, "Hi, my name is Guts. Glad to meet you. I play butts." What?
I am a platypus.
I'm a platypus. Pete said you are not like me, and I'm not like you, but I am thinking being different is really cool, very cool.
Ooh, it's a platypus.
On Tuesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to a squirrel who was playing in a tree. "Hi, Guts," said Squirrel, climbing. "Easy, try and see." Guts gave the tree a try, but branch was way too high. "I wish I could climb like you, but climbing is something I can't just do." Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do."
That's nice of Pete.
He's very kind to new people, but he just can't help it. On a Wednesday, Pete and Guts took a walk down the street. They came to Pete's friend, Grumpy Toad, who said, "Come play leapfrog with me. Jumping is easy. Try and see." Ooh, this looks like a nice picture. You can see he's a very good jumper. Guts jumped and leaped, but he could not get over Toad or Pete. "I wish I could jump like you, but jumping is something I can't just do." Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." On Thursday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Soon they saw Octopus, who said, "Come juggle with me. Juggling is easy. Try and see. I wish I could juggle like you, but juggling is something I can't just do." Look, all the balls went out, but that's how you juggle.
Is that because he has so many arms?
No.
Octopus?
No. Look, some people can juggle with just two hands, like my PE teachers,
You can juggle?
It's the same thing he said again. Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." See, it's the same thing he keeps on saying all over again.
What does being blue means?
Being blue is like you're sad. It's like the opposite of like sad and blue, but it sounds like you're blue, but you're actually sad.
Oh, okay.
But you're not blue. On Friday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street, and Guts said, "I can't juggle or jump or climb a tree. It's no fun around here for me." Look, Pete is sad now. On Saturday, Pete hoped Gus will come out to play. "I wish Gus wasn't sad. I wish Gus wasn't blue. I wish there was something we could do." Just then, Pete heard a groovy sound. It was coming from across the street. Gus was walking to his own beat. Sweet. Sweet means like you're not it's sweet. It's not like sweet. It's like it sounds like very perfect, and you're expert at it, and it sounds very cool. It's not like it's sweet, like you eat sweets.
Not like the
Like
taste?
that. Yeah, nothing to taste, something that you hear. Pete said, "Check out Gus' platypus. He found something cool he can do with us. Tap, thump, thump."
Wow, that's pretty cool, like your drums.
Yeah, I can show them to you, but next video. Tap, tap, thump, thump. Wow, that's a whole group.
It's a whole band.
just one more page, and then I'm going to show you the thing that I did. He's not sad, he's not blue. Gus found something that everyone can do. Gus bus groovy. That's what it says on the bus.
Yay!
But I just have one more thing. But I have something else to show you. And this is like an experiment that I did, like my mom did, like the other time in a science lab, but different ingredients. We don't have the snack packs, but we used a couple yum. So we made this in the oven, melting this on the bottom. We add some marshmallows. We ate it. We add some crackers, we add this, we add Twix. Yeah, that's sort of all And last but not least, I wanted to show you these yummy rooms. And they're so yummy that I want to eat chocolate chips. You can see inside.
Yummy.
So that was all that I wanted to show you because I really want to eat that, but you can see me if you want. That's just a fly. So, bye-bye. You can do it.